Hello everyone, in this video let us solve this question. So we have t over 8 times t over 8 is equal to 8 over t times 8 over t, and here we have to solve for the value of t. So t is your know what to solve for. To do this, solution. So we have t over 8 times t over 8 is equal to 8 over t times 8 over t. So the first thing we're going to do is to multiply t times t, which will give us t squared over 8 times 8 is 8 squared is equal to 8 times 8, 8 squared over t times t is t squared. So from here, we are simply going to cross multiply such that t squared multiplies t squared. We have t squared times t squared is equal to 8 squared multiply 8 squared. This becomes 8 squared times 8 squared. Now, this can be written as, in brackets, t squared all raised to power 2. Since we have t squared in two places, is equal to, same thing here also, this can be written as, in brackets, a squared all raised to power 2, because this is simply in two places. So from here, we are going to then move 8 squared all raised to power 2 over to this side, so that it becomes, here we have t squared all raised to power 2, then minus, in brackets, a squared all raised to power 2 is equal to, here becomes 0. Now with this, if you look at this now, we have difference of 2 squared. If you have a squared minus b squared, this equals, in bracket, a minus b multiplied by a plus b. Okay, and in this case, the value of a is equal to t squared, while the value of b is equal to 8 squared. So, and putting the value of a and b into this, we have it as, in brackets, a is t squared minus b is 8 square, 8 square multiplied by a is t square plus b is 8 squared, okay, all is equal to 0. So with this, we can then equate this to 0 or equate this to 0. For the first one, we have t squared is equal to 0, or for the second one, we have t squared plus 8 squared is equal to 0. Now let's solve this equation one after the other. So for this one right here, we have t squared minus 8 squared is equal to 0. Move minus 8 squared over to this side. This becomes t squared is equal to 8 squared. So from here, to then solve for the value of t, we need to remove this square from here, and to do so, square root both sides of the equation. So square root t squared is equal to square root 8 squared. Now, square will cancel square root. We have t is equal to plus or minus, square will cancel square root. We have 8. So from here, we've gotten the first value of t, t1 is equal to plus 8, while the second value of t, t2 is equal to minus 8. Now, we've gotten the real solutions of t, t1, t2 from this first equation. Let us then get the other values of t from this other equation. So from here, we have t squared plus 8 squared is equal to 0. Move plus 8 squared over to this side. This becomes t squared is equal to minus 8 squared. So to then solve for t, remove the square from there, and to do so, square root both sides. So square root t squared equals to square root of minus 8 squared. Now, doing this, square will cancel square root. We have t is equal to, now we can write root minus 8 squared as root minus 1 times root 8 squared, such that with this, the value of t is then equal to root minus 1 is equal to I times square cancel square root. We have plus or minus 8. So with this, t is equal to I times 8 is I8, okay, so plus or minus I8. So from here, we've gotten the third value of t, which equals plus I times 8 and T4 is equal to minus I times 8. Okay, now these are the third and the fourth solution for the value of T. The first one is this, that T1 equals to 8 and T2 equals to minus 8. So with these solutions of T, let us then check either these solutions, right, is the correct solution for the question. Now let us check it out. Let's check. The question is T over 8 times T over 8 is equal to 8 over T times 8 over T, right? So for the first value of T, which we got as 8, so for T1 equals to 8, let us then input the value of T into this equation. So T is equal to 8 over, we have 8 here, times T is 8 over, we have 8, with this equal 8 over T is 8, is it times, 8 over T is 8. So with this equal question mark. So from here, 8 we divide 8, we have 1, times 8 we divide 8, we have 1, will equal 8 we divide 8, we have 1, times 8 we divide 8, we have 1, will equal question mark. 1 times 1 is 1, which equals 1 times 1 is 1. Good. So this means that since they are equal, the value of T1 that we got as plus 8 is the correct solution. Okay, good. Let us then confirm for the other second solution of T, which equals minus 8. So right here, T2 is equal to minus 8. Okay, the question is T over 8 times T over 8 is equal to 8 over T times 8 over T. So T is minus 8, so minus 8 to replace T over 8 times T is minus 8 over 8, with this equal 8 over T is minus 8 times 8 over T is minus 8. Now 8 cancel 8, we have minus 1, times 8 cancel 8, we have minus 1, will equal 8 here 1, 8 here 1, 1 over minus 1, times this divide this, we have 1, 1 over minus 1. So from here, minus 1 times minus 1 is plus 1, will equal 1 over minus 1 is minus 1, times 1 over minus 1 is minus 1. From here, 1 is equal to minus 1 times minus 1, minus times minus is plus, 1 times 1 is 1. So looking at this, since they are equal to each other, this means that the value of T2 that we got right here as minus 8 is also the correct solution. Good. The next one is to then check for the third solution of T, which equals I times 8. So let us check that out. For T3, which equals I times 8, I times 8. So the question, which is T over 8 times T over 8 equals to 8 over T times 8 over T. Now T is now I times 8, so inputting I times 8 over 8 times T is I times 8 over 8 will equal 8 over T is I times 8 times 8 over I times 8. Okay, so question mark will equal. So from here, what will happen is this, 8 we divide 8, we have I, times 8 we divide 8, we have I, will equal 8 we divide 8, we have 1 over I, times 8 divide 8, we have 1 over I. From here, I times I is I squared equals 1 times 1 is equal to 1 over I times I is I squared. Okay, good. So from here, recall that root minus 1 is equal to I, right? Now, if you square the both sides of the equation, so square is root minus 1 all squared is equal to I squared. From here, I squared is equal to square cancel square root, we have minus 1. So that means that the value of I squared is equal to minus 1. So right here, I squared is then minus 1 equals 1 over I squared is minus 1, so minus 1. Now we have minus 1 equals to 1 over minus 1 is minus 1. Now looking at this, since they are equal to each other right here, this means that the third solution for the value of t, which equals I times 8, is also the correct solution. Then the next one is the fourth value of t, which equals minus I times 8. Let's also check that out also. So for t4, which is minus I times 8, right here, t4, which equals minus I times 8, okay? The question, which is t over 8 times t over 8, which equals 8 over t times 8 over t, right? So in putting the value of t4 as minus I times 8 into this equation, t becomes minus I times 8 over 8 times t is minus I times 8 over 8 will equal 8 over t, which is minus I times 8 over t is minus I times 8. So with this, what we have is 8, we divide 8, we have minus 1 times 8, we divide 8, we have minus 1 is equal to, sorry, minus I is equal to 8 divide 8, we have 1 over minus I times 8 divide 8, we have 1 over minus I. So from here, what we have is minus I times minus I, the value is equal to plus I squared is equal to 1. 1 times 1 is 1 over minus I times minus I is equal to plus I squared. Now recall that from here, I squared is equal to minus 1. So right here, I squared becomes minus 1 equals 1 over I squared is minus 1 minus 1. So minus 1 is equal to 1 over minus 1 is minus 1. Now looking at this, since they are equal to each other, this means that the fourth solution for the value of t right here, okay, is also the correct solution. So therefore, the first, second, third, and fourth solution for the value of t are the correct solution for the given question. So with this, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.